driving here? Why don't you fuck off? Why do you exist?
Damn you!
You just hit him.
What the?
But you know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
I have no idea how you cope.
Of course I cope. I'm a woman.
Ain't that the truth?
But girl, I done all that I can do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
Okay, I know, I'm just asking.
This is spirit walking. Exercises body and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free in an inch of purity. We are women. Here are free. We are women. Here are shouting. We are women.
Damn. F, is that your auntie?
What the?
Come on, homie, we ain't got all day. Let's go. You got more important things to do?
Nah, bro.
What the hell?
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, low, and ain't nobody out